The devastating earthquakes in Turkey and Syria have made residents of Talcher in Odisha lose their sleep. Relentless and rampant coal mining along with faulty sand filling has brought into focus an increasing possibility of catastrophic damages in case of an earthquake or major land subsidence scenario in the mining town. The situation has left many homes in the town witness irreparable cracks, while several areas of Talcher have developed automatic sinkholes. People of the mining town fear if a moderate to high magnitude quake hits the region, their fate is all but doomed. Experts warn that in such an eventuality, the town will collapse into massive hollow mine spread across thousands of acres of land underneath the surface like a deck of cards.
जदि आर्थक्वेक जदि भविष्य रहे ताले तालचेर चिन्हबन रहिबा आशा क्षीण बोली मु विचार कर राज्य सरकार एवं केंद्र सरकार समस्त यार विधिवत व्यवस्था करी जो अंचल आमर फंपा अच्छी कोयला काढ़ी नि आ जाइछि से अंचल रे बाली फिलिंग करिया पे मोर अनुरोध मोर मतामत एटा
As per reports, the Mahanadi Coalfields Limited is mining coal from 13 coal fields in the area at present. The MCL is supposed to fill sand from the Brahmani river bed after extracting coal from the underground mines. However, it has been alleged that the sand filling process is faulty, resulting in development of sinkholes and cracks in town buildings and other structures. Meanwhile, politics has heated up over the issue. Both BJD and BJP have pointed fingers at their opposite ruling governments.
खनिरो प्रभाव रे जनजीवन केते सुरक्षित अछि से संपर्क रे अनेक बार आमे आंदोलन करिजु तालचेर विधायक हुंतु किबा ढेंकावल सांसद हुंतु ए संपर्क रे सरकारक पाखरे उपस्थापन करिवार दायित्व तांकर खनि कारण कोनसी प्रकार विपद अछि ना नाही ए संपर्क रे राज्य सरकार एमसीएल कर्तृपक्ष जिला प्रशासन स्पष्टीकरण द्वारा आवश्यक अछि
भाई जतनमान हवा दरकार केंद्र सरकार एवं एमसीएल कर्तृपक्ष जहाँ प्रतिश्रुति देइचंती राज्य सरकार को जे कोयला उत्तोलन पर बाली भर्ती करा जीवा कथा किमा पोखरिया खदान रे माटी पत्थर उत्तोलन पर कोयला नेला पर पुणी माटी पत्थर को समान करिके हेतरे वृक्षारोपण करिवा कथा।
With bureau report, OTV News.